up as well. Referee Myers has skated over to the timekeeper's bench again. Oh, look at this. Roger Nielsen has a towel. He's waving the white flag. And I think here, 1.6 away from the cup. Pavel Bure. It's over. The Rangers win the cup. The Rangers win the cup.
Shadow to the playoffs. Stops the puck at the side of the net. Zdeno Chara off the glass, down the ice. The Exa is back. No icing here. It's over. It's an original sixth Stanley Cup for Boston. The Bruins are NHL champions.
I think that hit the mesh, didn't it?
The puck looked like it was out of play, but it stayed in. Kevin Bieksa took the shot. Vancouver's won it in double overtime, and the Vancouver Canucks are going to the Stanley Cup Final.
Oh, it hit the stanchion and came right back. What a heads-up play by Kevin Bieksa. Nobody knows where that puck is. Off the stanchion and right back, and look at the reaction. Hits it, it hits the stanchion, comes right back, but watch Edmund. Nobody's looking at where it is. A knuckle puck that goes right inside the post.
You're right, you look at the body language. Nobody knows where the puck is except Bieksa. Even his Canuck teammates had no clue that the puck had come to him.